The Panasonic Lumix GH7 stands as a remarkable achievement in the world of hybrid mirrorless cameras. Designed for creators who demand both cutting-edge video and robust still photography, it brings a blend of power, flexibility, and innovation rarely seen in its class. At the heart of the GH7 is a 25.2 megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, which offers improved light sensitivity and dynamic range. This sensor, paired with Panasonic's advanced Venus engine, provides not only vibrant and detailed images, but also impressive video performance, making the GH7 a true hybrid tool. One of the most notable advancements with the GH7 is its phase hybrid autofocus system. For the first time in the GH series, phase detection autofocus is combined with contrast AF, delivering precise, reliable tracking for both stills and video. This makes the GH7 especially well-suited for dynamic shooting scenarios, whether you're capturing fast-moving athletes, documenting wildlife, or vlogging on the go. Real-time recognition AF further enhances this by identifying and tracking humans, animals, and even vehicles with remarkable accuracy, ensuring your subject stays sharp no matter the conditions. Video enthusiasts will find the GH7 to be a powerhouse. The camera supports internal recording of 5.7K 30p ProRes RAW HQ, eliminating the need for external recorders and simplifying professional workflows. High frame rate options, like 4K at 120 frames per second and Full HD at a staggering 300 frames per second, enable silky smooth slow-motion footage. The inclusion of open gate recording at 5.8K 4:3 allows for flexible cropping in post-production, catering to multiple social media aspect ratios from a single shot. For those seeking cinematic color grading, the GH7 offers Vlog V Gamut and, via a paid upgrade, ARRI Log C3, certified for compatibility with ARRI cinema workflows, a feature that bridges the gap to professional film production. Audio recording receives a groundbreaking upgrade as well. With the optional DMW XLR2 XLR adapter, the GH7 becomes the world's first interchangeable lens camera to support 32-bit float audio recording. This technology expands the dynamic range of audio capture, removing the need to manually adjust levels and virtually eliminating the risk of clipped or inaudible sounds. It's a transformative feature for solo shooters, documentary filmmakers, and anyone working in unpredictable environments. The GH7's design prioritizes both durability and usability. Its compact, weather-sealed body is resistant to dust, splashes, and freezing temperatures, making it a reliable companion for fieldwork. The fully articulated 3-inch touchscreen LCD provides flexible viewing angles, while a high-resolution electronic viewfinder ensures precise composition. Thoughtful touches like tally lamps, customizable controls, and multiple record buttons streamline solo operation and multi-camera setups alike. Connectivity is another area where the GH7 excels. It features USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for fast data transfer and charging, HDMI Type-A for seamless external monitoring, and both microphone and headphone jacks for professional audio workflows. Dual card slots, one CF Express Type-B and one SD UHS-2, provide versatile storage options, with the CF Express slot enabling high bitrate recording modes like ProRes RAW. For still photographers, the GH7 delivers detailed 25.2 mm images and offers up to 100 high-resolution mode for tripod work. Continuous shooting at up to 75 frames per second with the electronic shutter makes it suitable for action, sports, and wildlife photography. The 5-axis dual IS2 stabilization system offers up to 7.5 stops of shake reduction, ensuring sharp images and steady video even when shooting handheld. Workflow integration is a key strength, with direct uploads to Adobe Frame, I/O for cloud-based collaboration, and proxy recording for efficient editing. Real-time LUT application and the Lumix Lab app enable instant color grading and creative control, further streamlining the content creation process. In summary, The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is more than just an incremental upgrade. It's a bold leap forward that redefines what hybrid cameras can do, combining professional-grade video and stills, cutting-edge autofocus, advanced audio, and seamless workflow tools, all within a rugged, portable body. Whether you're an indie filmmaker, YouTuber, documentary shooter, or hybrid creator, the GH7 offers the tools and versatility to bring your creative vision to life.